deep cleaning for a sparkling finish. A spotless home is essential when it comes to making a great impression. Buyers will notice every detail, from sparkling windows to gleaming floors. Start with a comprehensive cleaning session, focusing on hard-to-reach areas like ceiling fans, baseboards, and behind appliances. Pay special attention to bathrooms and kitchens, as these areas can be deal-breakers for potential buyers. Scrub grout lines, polish fixtures, and ensure all surfaces are sanitized and shiny. A pristine kitchen can make your home feel more inviting and well cared for. Don't forget about odors. Lingering smells from pets, food, or smoke can deter buyers. Invest in professional carpet cleaning or use air purifiers to ensure your home smells fresh. A light, neutral scent such as lavender or citrus can be inviting without being overpowering. If cleaning feels overwhelming, consider hiring professional cleaners. Their expertise can save you time and ensure your home looks its best for every showing. Buyers will appreciate the effort, and it can result in higher offers.